Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Deri. Today I will present how discourse analysis shape the words on a news by using critical discourse analysis approach, and I will compare it with pragmatic approach. Here is a piece of news that I found in channelnewsasia.com. Let's take a look at the news. The title is Malaysia's KFC closes over 100 outlets amid boycotts linked to Gaza conflict. Kuala Lumpur. More than 100 outlets of fast food company Kentucky Fried Chicken or KFC in Malaysia have been temporarily closed amid a months-long economic boycotts linked to the conflict in Gaza. Chinese daily Nyanyang Xiaopao reported that 108 outlets of the American chain had ceased operations. Kelantan State was the worst hit, with nearly 80% of their stores, or up to 21 outlets, affected. According to several media reports, there have also been closures of several McDonald's and Starbucks outlets in Malaysia. These popular chains have been experiencing a slowdown in business as a result of boycotts against US-linked companies linked to the country's stance in the Israel-Hamas war. As we know, the main focus on CDA seeks to understand how discourse is shaped by and reflects historical, social, and political forces. This approach is effective to find out what the reading means because we will try to understand the meaning contained in the text by reading it carefully. Once we understand the meaning of the text, we can provide a critical analysis of the reading context. This approach can directly make us more critical in analyzing and responding to everything. The news informed readers that more than 100 KFC outlets in Malaysia were closed due to widespread boycotts related to criticism of Israel's aggression in Gaza. As a result, the employees affected branches were offered the opportunity to move to branches operating in trading areas with higher customer loyalty as a part of tactical strategy to optimize resources. If KFC alone is affected, then several other global brands such as Starbucks and McDonald's are also facing intense boycotts due to their perceived support for or perceived ties to Israel amidst the ongoing conflicts in Gaza. Then I will compare it to pragmatic approach. Pragmatics is an important aspect of linguistics. This enables us to look beyond the literal meaning of words and utterances and instead focus on how meaning is produced in context. Pragmatics is the study of how language users associate phrases with acceptable or compatible context. For example, we will discuss the news headlines. If we can understand what the terms Gaza conflict means, our minds will be drawn to the ongoing struggle between Israel and Palestine. As a result, we might deduce that hundreds of shops in Malaysia were forced to close because KFC was believed to have direct relation with Israel. As far as my explanation about this approach, I found the comparison and contrast between CDA and pragmatic approach. So, critical discourse analysis focuses on power dynamics, social inequality, and ideologies embedded in language use. It examines how language constructs and maintains social structures, such as gender roles and class distinctions. In contrast, pragmatics deals with how context influences meaning in communications, including the use of language in different situations, cultural norms, and speaker intentions. While both disciplines analyze language in social contexts, CDA tends to be more politically oriented, aiming to uncover hidden power relations and challenge dominant ideologies. And pragmatics, on the other hand, is concerned with understanding how meaning is conveyed and negotiated in everyday interactions, often emphasizing the role of context and speaker intentions. It's all of my presentation. Thank you.